Guy.
Now, mate.
Right, we don't just do lubricants at Morris, okay? We also do a whole range of ancillary products to support that product range. So we have things such as screen wash, keep your windscreen nice and clean, anchor wax, heavy duty rust inhibitor.
I didn't know you did that
Absolutely.
until today, but I knew you did all of this stuff until today.
Yeah. Doff-full brake fluid, okay, for your braking system. MD4, a good all-round penetrant, lubrication.
I use tins of that stuff, mate, I'll tell you.
Water displacer.
All of the stuff, mate.
Yeah, solvent cleaner, great for cleaning your brake parts with.
Yeah, yeah.
We've also got surface conditioner, great for buffing up your bumpers.
Bumper blacker,
your
tyre blacker,
plastics.
mate. Yeah.
Whole range of greases as well to support the product range in a variety of different pack sizes. And this particular pack size down here has got some K383 copper anti-seize in it for dismantling and assembling a piece of equipment with.
Fair play, mate.
Yeah, so we've got lots of different products to support what we do.
Fair play. Right. A lot of gear.
Cheers, Guy.
Sound, mate.